Right, this is what we're going to be making today, this beautiful Thai green chicken curry. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Let's get cooking. And lastly, the beans. So I've cut them up. They're going to go in after the initial cooking has taken place with the onions and garlic, etc. So next we'll be facing the frying pan. Right, we're now at the cooking stage. Ready, set, go. Right. 2 tablespoons of rice bran oil in here, and to that we're going to add our onions. So there we go, and then also our garlic, ginger and green curry paste. So I'm going to put these to one side here so the aromatics get a chance to blossom. Here we go. That pan I thought was hotter than it really is. So we'll come back when we've got a bit of action going on and I can add the chicken. Well, we've got some action now. So I'm just going to stir this around. I hope you can hear me over the noise of the frying. I have turned the microphone around so it's not pointing at the pan, and I haven't really got it up that high. Let's pop the chicken in now, shall we? I can see you're all nodding, so yes, I'll put the chicken in. Imagine if cooking shows were that immersive that I would actually have to do everything that you said. Right, we'll get this browned and then we'll come back for another stage of ingredients. Right, yeah, that's cooking along quite nicely. Let's add our raw sugar into there, and we've got some fish sauce to add also. There you go, there's the fish sauce. Okay, I've got it together now. Chicken stock, 125 mils, and our coconut milk, plus our green beans. Now, once that's cooked down a bit, I will taste it and we can adjust the seasoning then. I don't think there'll be anything except black pepper to add, because I think the fish sauce would have taken care of the saltiness. But let's see, we're going to cook this down for about 10 minutes until this gets thick. In the meantime, you busy little beavers can put your rice cookers on, or put your rice to cook on the stove. And I forgot my tablespoon of lime juice, so I've just popped that in too. Okay, this is cooked, but this is still far too thin, so we're going to cheat. We're going to add some corn flour and water just to try and, it's not going to make it really thick, but it's certainly going to make it a lot less watery. Okay, last thing, let's pop our basil leaves in there. I picked some really young basil leaves off the top of the plant, so, and the fragrance is just beautiful. Let's turn that down now and check the seasoning. Oh, that's beautiful. It's perfectly balanced salt wise, but it does need some black pepper. There we go. Just stir that through, and the next shot you will see will be me plating this up and having a taste. Right, and there it is, all plated up. Let's get in there and have a bit of a taste. I'm going to have more. Right, thank you very much for watching. Almost forgot I was filming it then. I hope you make this. It's a real quick recipe to make, and so hard to mess up. So, and the result is beautiful, beautiful Thai green curry. I will catch you on the next recipe.